Luoyang Heng Guan Bearing Technology Co., Ltd. is an entity manufacturer of slewing bearings and customized non-standard machining parts with ISO 9001 certificate. We mainly produce slewing bearings with diameter of 50 to 10,000 millimeters, and the bearing precision can cover for grades of PO, P6, P5 and P4. At the same time, undertake various customized non-standard machining parts, such as large gears, shafts, large ring gears, couplings, and so on. At present, Heng Guan Bearing has become the preferred supplier of many international customers. Products have been exported to more than 50 countries, including the South Africa, United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, Italy, Turkey, Russia, Austria, Norway, Australia, Mexico, Malaysia, the Middle East. Production capacity: CNC vertical lathe, CNC quenching machine, CNC gear shaper. Machining center, grinding machine, large gear hobbing machine and other processing equipment. Provides services, technical consultation, product design, manufacturing, installation guidance, or product mapping, personalized non-standard customization. Contact us right away.